Welcome to my channel. First, check out my recommended yeast infection removal method here. One weird trick forces your body to quickly eliminate candida overgrowth and enjoy freedom from yeast infections in as little as 12 hours. Guaranteed. The video presentation below shows you some unique and rare tips on how to treat candida yeast infection and gain complete relief in as little as 12 hours. This is based on the latest scientific research on how to stop the actual cause of candida overgrowth and the debilitating yeast infection symptoms such as vaginal or male yeast infections, thrush, digestive disorders and allergies, mood swings, rashes and loss of energy. And if you also have any excess, unhealthy body fat, then the moves highlighted below will help burn it off while restoring your energy and vitality and dramatically improving the quality of your life. Please click on link below to watch the video. How to get rid of mouth yeast infection. 4 magical remedies. Yeast infection, in the very first place, will never be a welcome guest to your body. This is even truer if it infects your mouth. Really, this can be a very irritating and painful experience. Therefore, you need to take every possible step just to eliminate this problem. Good thing that there are a lot of ways on how you can cure the mouth yeast infection or thrush using natural methods. Now, there is no more need for you to spend so much money just to get rid of the infection. In fact, right at the comfort of your home, you can find a lot of natural remedies that are effective to help you out of this situation. So if you have this kind of problem, discover these natural ways on how you get rid of the yeast infection. Baking soda. The baking soda is a good alternative to toothpaste when you are brushing your teeth. Though this sounds odd, this is seen to be effective and helpful in curing thrush. Since the regular toothpaste that you use can be too harsh for the sores in your mouth, it is practical and proper to find an alternative. So you need to make a solution of a small amount of baking soda with the right amount of water, which is enough to form a paste. To make this more effective, when you brush your teeth, use half a cup of water with a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide to rinse your mouth. Also, it is good to note that you need to replace the toothbrush when the problem disappears to prevent chances of recurrence. Salt. This is a good cure for mouth yeast infection in cases when there is already a development of sores in the mouth. With this, you need to mix half a cup of lukewarm water and half a teaspoon of salt. Gargle using this solution. If you do this consistently, there are higher chances of getting rid of the infection quickly. Basil. The method here is the same as what you need to do with the salt. You need to gargle with some basil tea. You can make the tea by boiling 3½ cups of water and adding 1 1/4 teaspoon of ground basil. Let the water and the basil sit for around 30 minutes. Or, you can also sweeten the tea and drink 2 cups a day. Water. Since some of the food you eat can stay in your mouth and just encourage the formation of more yeast, it is best to always gargle with water right after you eat. The water must be boiled and then cooled before you can use it as a gargle. This is especially true and effective for babies who are still drinking milk. So indeed, mouth yeast infection is always easy to handle if you just know how to act on getting rid of the discomforts it can provide. Therefore, it is but proper to be thankful to these natural cures for this problem. They will not only relieve you from the inconvenience but they make the treatment as financially painless as possible.